Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to bleed the brake system on your 1997 through 2001 Honda CR250. The tools you will need are an 8mm wrench, clear tubing, a catch pan, and shop towels. The only part you will need is a bottle of fresh .4 brake fluid. Remember, brake fluid will damage your pads, so keep your shop towels handy. The bleeding procedure is the same on the front and rear brakes, but you will need to remove the guard on the rear caliper. Connect your tube to the bleeder valve and place the drain end in your catch pan. Fill the reservoir to the marked limit, but do not install the cap. The brakes are a sealed system, so installing the reservoir cap will work against the bleeding process by creating a vacuum in the reservoir. Apply pressure to the brakes and hold them. With pressure applied, open the bleeder valve. After the system pressure is released, close the bleeder valve, then release the brake. Do not pump your brakes. If you pump the brakes with the valve open, you will draw air into the system. Repeat this process until the air bubbles have stopped and only brake fluid can be seen in the tube. Throughout the bleeding process, keep an eye on your reservoir. If you let it drain, then you will introduce air from the opposite side of the brake system and you will need to start over. Make sure to visit FixYourDirtBike.com to learn everything about your dirt bike, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.